In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your username on chess.com. Whether you created your account years ago with a name you no longer like, or you simply want a fresh start for your competitive journey, updating your identity on the world's most popular chess platform is a straightforward process. However, there are some specific rules and limitations you need to know before you make the switch. If this video helps you navigate your account settings, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more chess tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started with the process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to chess.com. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to edit. Once you're on the home dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you will see a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on that icon to open your global account preferences. Within the Settings side menu, you will see several options such as Account Privacy and Themes. You want to select the Profile option. This section manages all your public-facing information, including your bio, location, and of course your username. Once the profile page loads, scroll down slightly until you reach the section titled Details. This is where your primary account information is stored. Right next to your current username, you will see a small blue link that says Change. Go ahead and click that link. Now, a window will appear where you can enter your new desired username. It is important to keep a few things in mind here. Chess.com usernames must be unique, meaning if someone else already has the name, you won't be able to use it. Additionally, remember that chess.com only allows you to change your username once every 90 days. This is a security and community measure to prevent people from constantly switching identities. Type in your new name carefully, double-checking for any typos. Once you are satisfied with the new name, click the Save button. The system will instantly check for availability, and if everything is correct, your profile will update immediately. All of your existing games, ratings, and friends will stay exactly as they were. Only the name displayed to the world will change. It is such a relief to finally have a name that represents your current playing style or personality. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize that 90-day rule once more. Because you are locked into this new name for 3 months, make sure it is something you really want to keep. If you accidentally make a mistake, you will have to wait until that time frame expires before the system allows another modification. Changing your username is a great way to feel refreshed and motivated to hit the ranked ladders again. If you followed along and managed to get your new name set up, congratulations on the new identity. If this video was helpful and saved you some time navigating the settings menu, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep making these easy guides for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.